Hey guys, it's me again, and tonight, this is my another DVD review. This DVD is 2005 DVD of Sailing Around the World. And this is the first Wiggles DVD that features the handle case. In 2005, it came out on VHS and DVD. Yeah. With the handle case. Yeah. And this is the first Wiggles DVD to feature the full screen or widescreen 4 HD. So we have the Wiggles logo, Sailing Around the World title, DVD video logo, and the G rating classification, and the ABC for Kids logo. 15 fun travelling tunes, Sydney and London. Without any further ado, let's jump right in. Front. On the spine, there's no profile picture. It's ABC for Kids logo, the Wiggles logo, title, the catalogue numbers, and the G rating classification. And the back. Let's read a description out. From London town to Sicily and San Francisco, everyone will have a great time on the wiggly giggly global trip. So climb on board the SS Feathersword and hoist the mainsail as the Wiggles take you to sing in Sydney and move to the beach in Mexico and Athens. Don't forget your passports and 15 fun travelling tunes. It's all hands on deck for fun. Here's some synopsis. Special features are electronic storybooks is Jeff and the Lumpy Mattress, two bonus episodes of Lights Camera Action Wiggles, 4 wiggly animation clips, postcard from Mexico, photo gallery, jukebox song selection, sing along with the Wiggles, and subtitles for the hearing impaired. The songs are Sydney Barker Roll, Goldfish, Here Comes the Chicken, London Town, H of Path the Timber, We Love Athens, Captain's Wavy Walk, Sailing Around the World, Sicily, I Wanna Go, Mup Mup, Let's Go, We're Riding in the Big Red Car, Elbow to Elbow, San Francisco Trolley Car, Fly Through the Sky, Here We Go, Mexico City, and the Barrel Poker. On the album, the songs are The Penny-Sized Poker Pania, Brisbane, Hula Hula Hula, Nothing to Be Cooler. That's the song from Deleted Scene. So let's have a look inside. Here's the disc. For some reason, the squished up version shows the poster art. Here's the Wiggles and Captain Feathersword on it. That's all got the time for, folks. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later in my next video. Keep on wiggling. More DVD reviews coming up tomorrow.